Mama, look from where you calling destiny. I wanna lose my destiny. There is this man in Edo State where his Johnny not keeping something one place. His John Thomas is always busy flying anywhere where you say. He gets first wife where be her word. That woman they do with one. He get different with ones. Both to one bone straight to bono hotel. Anyone you want. The woman they sell her. And he come they date one girl where they sing. For Edo Kingdom, that they call that one Beyonce of Edo State. Her name na Esther, and also known as Woman of Song. The Woman of Song is the woman that do something. Hey, yeah. And that Destiny, he can't carry his two left legs. Give Destiny to go a camera off. Now camera where movie producers they use. That camera worth like 30-something million naira. 20-something, depending on the one, you get different packages. As he give that camera to Destiny to go, one day they can't carry Destiny go fly boats. I can't begin to pray for Destiny because that day. I can't begin to pray for that Destiny because I can't begin to use the chains, the heavenly chains. Can't begin to chain Destiny because I say today, this Destiny bagua can never see Destiny to go because I can't cover the Destiny to go with the Obra Jesus. You? So, as that thing could happen, my wonderful people, this man was dating the second woman called Esther, the woman of song, publicly. Everybody, if they don't know them. And that one, they do like this. Buga, buga, as in person where they dead Destiny. As the person where they dead the man, where they behave like goats, he goat. But who knows? Will I blame them? Can I give her what the man is giving to her? Do you know whether the man is maybe those one that knows how to give head? You know, those one Allah is the Allah ile. Why are your mom laying pants? Hey, Nemo, hey, take it easy. I'm coming home. Who knows? So I don't have right to tell the woman, don't love this man. I don't know what he's giving to them. Okay, that is making them love him. But here is my question. This man is married to a woman called Hayward. Now, you, Esther, the woman of song, is dating this man. You made this man your manager. Then, any money you make, you and this man will share it 50-50. Why will a normal girl, with her eyes, with everything intact, with your money, you no see any young boy use your money buy? You no see any single man use your money buy? Now, person husband, where you and them go to share 50-50. Are you okay? Why? Because of the boka. Aboki na star. Everyone gets in a K olo. I can't begin to ask myself, what's in the happen? So this guy can't go say he go marry Esther. He can't marry Esther, the second wife. The day where they marry that one, if you see the face of the first wife can't look like person where they work for Machari. If my grandmother they call her Machari. Can't look like person where they work for Machari. Hey, that very day not like this the wife did. But you know, say later the man come bring them, make you show us say him be good husband. Say he go come kiss this one like this. He go turn the other side, kiss the other wife. You know, they were there now, smiling like people where they thought where pick canter for road. I say this marriage why they say you know go last. As this man come carry Esther enter house, the love can't change you. The man no give attention to Esther again. He can't begin they go outside, they chase other girls. He can't they follow the first wife. Anyway they go, you go follow the first wife. And they say first wife sabi do shakara too much. Every time the woman go and the husband they go enter Snapchat, the woman go they wear something where they show almost her drawers or whatever. And the woman sabi do shakara. I say, my dear sister, if anybody wants to collect your husband, just go and follow that woman, see the way she dey dress. Well, fashion made the second one, you know, by the time you dress somehow, your husband will look back and say, you know what, I'm going back to my place. So now, Now like that, you take no say Esther, they give this man half of her money. But my question is, what does this wealthy man need from money from a local musician? Is this man giving his own proceed with this woman? Is this man doing 50-50 with his own money with this Esther? Why will a woman, she will go and sing and you will share the money with her? As a real man, you're supposed to let her have her money. What kind of a man? Who does that? So, this woman can't get upset, Every time now, as a woman, she go dress up, make my husband see her. You go do like this, the man go look elsewhere. You go do like this, you go look elsewhere. You go bend her bum, shake her, pia. The man go look elsewhere. The woman come provoke. How would it be this? Say, if somebody will be deaf and don't provoke, you go to hear, the woman come provoke. Come begin the verse. Now she carry her two left legs, come social media. Come begin to cry. Come begin to cry. Come to tell us how the man they go outside. My dear sister, you are not supposed to complain whether the man go outside. You were doing it to the first wife of this man. Why then are you crying? Say the man they carry his long thing, they go outside. Were you not aware that his long thing will never rest in one place or two places? You can't begin to cry. Say the man they go outside. He was going outside. He was doing that thing with you when he was with the first wife. You don't see him as anything. So you want him to bury you and keep it one place. Now lie. That's in your bagua. I beg you, my brother. Any gay you see, do am. Walewa oh sister come oh, walewa oh. Any gay you see, wale and chop the lies. Since this woman thinks that she's their wise, now her money should go use beg your tire. So she can't begin to say, you know what? I am going back to my father's house. Alamo, ejemo, ugomo. I go home. I don't want to marry again. She packed her bag and baggages and left the marriage. Said she don't want to marry again. Immediately she left. This same man will marry her. Can't ignore her. Can't they behave like the woman because they smell ugly. Or whether the woman they put up the batawa inside her because, or whether the woman know they clean her bum up. If she go toilet, can't they treat her somehow. All of a sudden, the man came back. Immediately, the woman left. The man came back. I couldn't begin to beg the girl. You know I love you. You know this one. In fact, I will come and pay your bride price the second time. I will come and marry you again. Immediately, the woman do already agree. Now, she can't carry her two left legs. Come begin to dance on social media. They tell people, na Toto West Abi school. Now, that one, they pay double bride price. I be waiting, she talk. She was praising herself and her Toto. Say, now better person where she be. They marry her 2 times. Don't tell me, say the man want to pay your bride price twice. How is this man treating you is the most important thing. He claimed he loves you so much. He brought you home. From the time you start living with him, he changed immediately and faced the wife and ignored you. And nobody wants to be ignored. And he's going after other women outside. To extend that his manhood, my mama here, was busy flying on social media to another woman he went to. Yet your mind no tell you say, this man do not care about me. I just got married to this man 1 year. If a man cannot respect you that 1 year when marry you, when do you think he will respect you? When baby begin to come, when your babies don't begin, they somehow, when you do it, that woman come begin they jollivate. Say the husband won't marry her the second time. What do I know? You that is my sister that is here. Please, don't use money to buy any man. You have money. Go after single guys. Don't use your money to go and buy a married man. Don't use your money to beg for love. Don't use your money to beg for attention. Look for somebody who is single. Biko, build with Onyawa instead of doing with this kind of a man who you know see belongs to another woman. Oh yeah, now my wonderful people. If you come across my video, do me a favor by sharing it. May God bless every one of you. Bye and remain blessed.